Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I made $1,725 in one day with CPA marketing. Hey guys, my name is Damien and I am a full-time internet marketer, and CPA marketing is one of my main income streams. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a lot of money in one day leveraging CPA marketing and a secret traffic method I'm gonna show you right now. Alright? Now before I get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel because we are growing super fast right now. I'm uploading on a daily basis, and make sure to hit the like button and comment something below, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is my dashboard in Maxbounty, and as you can see, today I have made over $242 and yesterday I made $1,725, and I'm gonna be talking about this day, okay, yesterday, and how I was able to get these results. Alright, so this is not typical, guys. Alright, you're not just gonna make $1,700 just like that with CPA marketing. You have to have a good strategy. You have to get a lot of traffic, super targeted traffic in onto the offer. All right, so let me show you how I did it. So I basically chose an offer in Maxbounty. All right, I went to the trending campaigns, and I chose the win an iPhone 11 single opt-in US offer. All right, so this is a brand new offer on Maxbounty, and it has a network EPC of 18 cents, alright, as you can see here, which means for every click, for every USA click you get to this offer, you're going to make approximately 18 cents, okay? It might be more, it might be less, depending on the quality of your traffic. So I chose this offer, and since it is Black Friday, this is the awesome time to get started with this method, because a lot of people are spending, a lot of people are willing to do whatever it takes, to get something new. All right, whether it's to buy something or enter a giveaway or whatever it takes. All right, so this is an awesome time for online entrepreneurs to make money. Black Friday, okay. And you might have heard of this this quote. There are only two types of people on Black Friday. Number one, the people that spend the most money, and number two, the people that make the most money. All right. So I chose an offer, win an iPhone 11 single opt-in US, which pays $250 per lead. So it's not going to be too hard for people converting, since it's only a single opt-in offer. Okay, they click 2 or 3 buttons, and yeah, there we have it. I made $250. So yesterday I made 1,725 divided by 2.5 is I got about 690 conversions. Now bear in mind, I got a lot of clicks that day, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. So guys, how did I drive that much traffic to the offer? Now, I used Instagram influencers, and if you find the right influencers for your offer, you're going to make a lot of money. All right, guys? So you have to choose the correct influencers for your CPA marketing offer. So in my case, I was promoting the iPhone 11 giveaway, and I chose to pay tech related influencers and gaming influencers like Fortnite, because for example, in these Fortnite accounts are followed by a lot of young people, so like maybe kids 15, 18, 16 years old, all right, which may not afford an iPhone 11. So I targeted these types of accounts, and this is how I got a lot of clicks to my offer. And guys, how did I do that? So so I already chose the offer, which is the iPhone 11 giveaway, and the traffic is influencers. Now I have to connect the dots together. So what I did, I went to Photoshop, or you can do this in Canva, and you need to create a story ad. All right. So what a story ad is that you're gonna pay account like this. All right. You're gonna message him, and you're gonna ask him for the rates. All right. So this is a huge account, so this guy's gonna be expensive, but you want to find smaller Fortnite accounts or smaller tech related accounts if you're gonna be promoting the iPhone 11 giveaway. And you're going to ask him what his rates are for a story post. All right. So this is a story post, and I created an ad like this. Who wants to win an iPhone 11? Okay, it's eye-catching, it's a good-looking story, clean. Giveaway ends soon, enter now. There's a bit of scarcity to letting them know that it ends today, so they have to enter as soon as possible, and then they're the swipe up. All right, and once they swipe up, I'm not gonna be redirecting them to this page, because that's not going to work, guys. You need to use a landing page. So what I did, I went to ClickFunnels and I created a simple landing page like this, okay? And said something like, only 129 people have signed up so far. Your chance to win is 8%, because we are giving away 10 iPhones, all right? So then there's a quick question. Are you 15 or older? If yes, please click the button below and answer the simple questions on the next page. They're going to click the button, and as you can see here, this is my Maxbounty link. Okay, make sure it is phone supported, because a lot of people are on their phones while swiping through Instagram, and you really need to get their attention with the ad. All right. So once they swipe up, they're going to be redirected to the landing page, and from here they're going to click enter giveaway now, and they're going to be redirected to the offer, which is this page. All right. So this method doesn't just work for a giveaway. It's also going to work for a weight loss product like this, which is higher paying, $84 per lead. Or you get the point, guys. It's not just for the giveaway, which I did. So you can do a weight loss product. You can sell something, guys, but you need to use a pre-lander, which I showed you like this. All right. Just a simple landing page, which bridges the gap between the traffic and the offer. So make sure to pick the correct offer. Okay, you can use a giveaway. Pick the correct influencer. Okay, it needs to connect together, guys. All right. So the audience, just think about the followers, who the followers are of this account and what they might be interested in. And you also want to have a good looking ad copy, something clean like this. You can create it in Canva, Photoshop, or you can just use your phone to, create a simple ad like this, which is not too hard. You want to create an opt-in page using ClickFunnels, which there'll be a 14-day free trial in the description below this video. So make sure to get a ClickFunnels account, because the ClickFunnels is crucial for your online business, and you're going to be creating a lot of websites, a lot of funnels if you're going to be using affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. Okay, so you have to have a landing page. Make sure it is phone optimized, all right, because there's a lot of traffic on Instagram that is from just pure mobile traffic. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, because this is pure value, guys. This stuff does work, and I'm not the only one making money with this strategy. A lot of people are actually leveraging this exact method to make a lot of money with Maxbounty and CPA marketing. Okay, so make sure to choose a correct offer, a good influencer, use a landing page, create a simple ad copy, and get started with this method right away. All right. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have gotten this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I am uploading every single day, or at least I'm trying to. And make sure to subscribe, comment below, and hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.